Today, I'm going to show you one change we have made on our popular product, the LED alarm clock. First, when we launched the alarm clock, we used the traditional aluminum insert to do the sublimation. It's true that the aluminum sheet, the color effect will be more bright, but we decided to use the plastic insert instead of the aluminum sheet. The plastic insert is flexible, while the aluminum sheet is hard, not flexible. And the plastic insert is white and matte finish. It's not as glossy as the aluminum sheet, but you can also see that the color effect on after you print the image is also very nice. This is aluminum and this is plastic. You can see the difference. The color effect for this plastic is very bright. The most important thing that is because the alarm clock is color change. If we use the aluminum sheet, the light inside cannot transfer through the aluminum sheet. While if we use the plastic inserts, the light inside can transfer through and the color change effect will be much better, especially in the dark place. This is the plastic insert and this is the aluminum insert. You can see that the color change effect with the plastic insert is much better than the aluminum insert.